Look at question 12. This is now where we're trying to talk about also the same idea of simplifying. Feel free to pause the video and just try to give yourself a bit of some confidence. See if you're able to answer these two questions without any challenges. Okay, if I go to 12, we have 2n plus 2 factorial divided by 2n factorial. So the same concept to apply. Try to reduce the one that is on top up until it reaches to just 2n factorial. So 2n plus 2. If reduced by 1, it becomes what? 2n plus 1. If reduced by 1 again, the 1 disappears, it just becomes 2n factorial. Divided by the bottom, we have 2n factorial. So I want to actually show the brackets. I would want to show the brackets there so that we can clearly show that the factorial is applying to 2n and not just n. Okay, so you can see this can divide. And you've simplified. 2n plus 2, 2n plus 1. If you want, you can go beyond and just multiply this, but I think the idea is I want to see you do away with the factorial there. Okay, pause the video and try out the other one. Alright, hoping you've tried it out. We have n plus 1 n plus 1 factorial over n minus 1 factorial. So equally here would want to reduce the top part since it's the one that looks higher. So we have n plus 1. Reduced by 1, it becomes n. Reduced by 1, it becomes n minus 1 factorial. I'll just end there. So that already cancels out or divides. And then you just remain with like n multiplied by n plus 1. You can just end there, but this is easy to multiply anyway. So it just becomes n squared plus n. Very, very simple. So this is just helping us trying to understand the factorial expressions that we use under binomial theorem, so that it'll be easy as we get to approach more complicated questions ahead of us. Okay.